Guys, welcome back to World News Channel. Today we are ready to give 2 months free electricity to household electricity distribution company says. The 11 electricity distribution companies DISCOs under the aegis of Association of Nigerian Electricity Distributors ANED have affirmed that they will support the move to supply free electricity to all consumers within their network in the next 2 months. The DISCOs stated that this will be a palliative measure to bring succor to Nigerians in the face of COVID-19 induced period. Recall that the House of Rep had disclosed its consideration of a fresh stimulus bill that will allow Nigerians to enjoy electricity supply for 2 months without any charge. While confirming the development, Mr. Sunday Odunton, Executive Director, Research and Advocacy Association of Nigerian Electricity Distributors, in a statement said that details of the implementation of plans for the free electricity supply will come soon. We are completely aligned with the plans to ensure palliative measures, including free electricity supply to all Nigerians for 2 months to make life easier during the lockdown period. We recognize the challenging effects of the coronavirus on the economic and daily lives of our customers. In fulfillment of our commitments to the nation, we hereby align ourselves with the effort of the National Assembly and the Federal Executive Council to mitigate the hardship that are currently faced by our customers and other citizens all over the country. Odunton said that DISCOs also commended the federal legislators, the executive arm, and the Nigeria Electricity Regulatory Commission for the initiative. He said that the DISCOs were committed to working with them to ensure more efficient power supply within this difficult period as the nation battles with the ravages of COVID-19. Again, as a key utility player in the Nigerian electricity supply industry, we hereby reiterate our commitment to improving service delivery to the nation during this pandemic period and thereafter, Odunton added. Wow, such a good news. What do you guys think about this? And remember, if you've not subscribed on the channel. Thank you very much.